Have you ever needed a hairstyle that looks like it took hours to do but really just took a few minutes? Well, I'm about to show you this style right here. My name is Marie-Reine and let's get right into it. So I parted my hair into two halves. The front part is a lot smaller, maybe about 4 fingers wide. For this style, you only need the cornrows at the top. I also did a curved middle part because that's the design I wanted. And to be honest, I didn't have any design planned out. I'm just going to braid and hope for the best. So using my red one hair wax, I'll be using that to keep my cornrows neat. I decided to have them very small for a natural look, and I added minimal hair for longevity. And to be honest guys, I was heading somewhere the next day and I wanted to do something very simple, very quick, but also low tension, and I really didn't want to deal with any lace wigs. It was just too warm for that. So this was definitely a last minute plan, hence why I didn't have any style planned out. And to be honest, I'm not being too precise with it, but if I had more time to spare, I could really do better, to be honest. So like I said guys, I'm just freestyling this and I'm adding some Khelani vibes to it, so it's not just straight backs, and I believe this is the first time I'm actually doing something like this on myself. But I just know, like guys, I just know if I had more time I could do so much better. But yeah, we were trying to go quick so that we had something the next day. So guys, for this style I decided to use a wig instead of crochet or a weave because like I said, I wanted something super quick, and using the wig actually made this style take less than an hour, which was amazing. And this style is back in trend, which I love, but I was so skeptical to do it at first because honestly some of the styles are super cute but they can give clown vibes, if not done to the right proportion of your head. It's just personal preference and knowing what works for me. Even after doing this style, can you imagine my partner had the audacity to jokingly call me a monk one time? Bruh. I wasn't expecting that, guys. Like, my hair was a bit messy that day, the wig needed some brushing, and yeah, he just stared at me a little too long and he called me a monk. Like, but that's just a little story to say that you need to always consider your head shape and your style preference so that your hair looks cute and not awkward. You want the style to look good on your head, and yeah, that goes for any hairstyle, not just this one. Now moving on to the other side guys, I added a bit more design on this side as I just didn't want it straight back. As you guys can see, I also kept my edges out as I wanted to protect them, okay? One of the best ways to ruin your edges is when you pull as you cornrow. So instead of braiding closer together, as in the grip, some people kind of rush the cornrow and it ends up pulling your edges. I hope that makes sense. I don't know if it does, but when I'm doing a client's hair, sometimes I will ask them to hold the tip of the cornrow so that it doesn't affect their edges, and I don't think everybody knows this. So yeah, cornrows can really mess up your edges, so you have to be careful.
Oh, na, 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 na. It's a boy Larry Hawk. Yeah, yeah. It's body music. It's body music. I say, come give me the slow timing, Mr. Romantic. Man, them some order. Man, them some order. I say, come give me the slow timing, Mr. Romantic. Man, them some order. Man, them some order. Far away from me, they go high. Order that baby, make her cry for yeah or no. See me, I cannot sleep without you. Cannot breathe without you. See me, I cannot live without you. Yeah, yeah. See my cash, you don't man, then you saving. If the man them snacks where you go pay me. On God, no bluff, I make a play tough. Hey, if I know that I'm in love, know that I'm in love. I know say I fall in love. I go hold you like trophy, La Liga. Oh my shorty, give me sick, my girl, oh, you be.
So guys, I was like, let me try this little X design thingy that I see a lot everywhere, especially on cornrows. I find them so cute, so I decided to try it. And you see the way one braid goes across, and the other crosses over it. You see that? Yep, that is my version of geometry. Don't play with me, okay?
Slow timing, Mr. Romantic, you know, man, them some other. Man, them some other. Far away from me, they go high. Other that baby, make I cry for you, or no. See me, I cannot sleep without you. Cannot breathe without you. See me, I cannot live without you.
So guys, once the top was done, I gathered everything at the back and I made 3 chunky cornrows just to hold it down. Okay, so from experience, I do know that smaller cornrows definitely give better results, okay? But using the wig and all, I was able to get away with this size. If you don't want chunks and stuff like that, then definitely go smaller. And after braiding, I was able to seal the ends with some elastic bands. Then I proceeded to sewing them together using my thread and needle.
I go hold you like Chelsea, La Liga. Oh my shorty, give me sika, my girlie, oh you be sweeter. Mama sita, mama, mama. Señorita, señorita, mama, mama. I say come give me the quarter. Slow timing, Mr. Romantic, you know man them some other. Man them some other.
Now I ain't gonna lie, I was in a real dilemma here, trying to decide between the 2 wigs. The lace on these wigs looked terrible, so they were quite useful for this style. And to be honest, after carefully considering my options, the wavy wig won because it gives me that elegant, effortless look inspired by Khelani actually. So if you guys saw that unfolded music video, not folded, unfolded, you'll see that she has this hairstyle and she has like a wavy wave, which I found so elegant. So it definitely inspired me to go for that wavy look. Also, I needed some color in my life. If you guys noticed, the 2 options that I had were colors and not just black. I was so overwhelmed with the black hairstyle, so I really needed some color in my life.
Slow timing, Mr. Romantic, you know man them some other. Man them some other. I say come give me back order. Slow timing, Mr. Romantic, you know man them some other. Man them some other. Far away from me, they go high. Other that baby, make I cry for you, or no. See me, I cannot sleep without you. No sleep, cannot breathe without you.
So guys, sewing the wig was so easy. I didn't do too much. I kept it very simple, but it looked so good. The tracks covered up so nicely, which I did not expect. I had a whole nother method which I saw on TikTok, using a crochet hook to cover up the tracks, but I didn't need to use that method because as you guys can see, like, you can't even see the lace or anything, which is amazing. I love that. And guys, I'm doing my baby hair. Guys, you know it's baby hair when you're not using product to lay your edges. Can I get an amen? Amen. And here she is, simple, quick and easy, edges saved, ready to slay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.